Are you a hair transplant surgeon who is able to accept new patients? If yes, imagine a way to triple your new patient panel who are already searching online to get help from a local, good, hair transplant surgeon to solve their hair loss and social association. It sounds simple, but it's not always easy. Here's how we learned this the hard way. We were busy. Too busy. Busy taking care of our existing clients. And while we worked diligently, potential new leads, the business owners who needed us desperately, were slipping through the cracks. By the time we returned their calls, we'd hear the same thing. Thank you, but we found someone else. We suspected we had a problem but didn't know how big it was, until we calculated the revenue we had lost, thousands of dollars, gone. These weren't just missed calls, they were missed opportunities. Missed revenue for us. So we found a solution. A solution that ensures that no lead was ever left waiting, or ignored, or lost. It works while you focus on what you do best, helping your patients look their best while growing your practice. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia, and at callstobooked.com, we help hair transplant practices like yours recover lost revenue, and help you connect with potential patients for less, boosting patient satisfaction, leading to better reviews, more efficiency, all while recapping lost revenue. Use our calculator to get an idea of how much you lose in a year, and how you can recapitulate lost revenue to transform your practices with simple solutions. Connect with us on LinkedIn and request the calculator, or send email calculator to see just how much your lost revenue can be recapped and put to better use. Reply calculator to us.